Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing the JBL Go 2 brand new portable Bluetooth speaker. So, the box is very small, and I chose the black color by the way. So far what I can see, I think it looks good, so I'll just open it up right now. Trying to take off this sticker, which is surprisingly difficult actually. Come on, take it off. Almost there. Man, it's taking too long. And we got it. So, wait, get it off my finger right now. Okay, there we go. So, I'll just open the box right now. So, there's this flap, and there's another flap, another flap. Well, too many flaps anyways. And, oh, there's more. Yeah, there's still flaps. Okay, so now we should be able to take out the speaker. So yeah, as I said, I got it in black, and this is what it looks like. The box is just so small. I like it actually. Oh wow, it actually feels very nice. It's more rounded than the old one. Wait, let me get the old one here. This is the old one, and yes, I took off the cover and I lost the cover, so you won't be able to see my old one with the cover. But here's the back. So now they've gone with all black instead of black and white. And it really does feel good. It feels very, very soft, very polished. And here's the top. See, the layout is basically the same, just that the button on the right changed. But yeah, the idea is the same. Here's the downside with all the marks and everything. You probably don't need to know. They got rid of this hook thingy, which is, oh, that's bad. That's too bad. I kind of liked it. So yeah, this is the side. Oh right, micro USB. It's still no USB-C. That's unfortunate. And then there's this part of the box. Only the white little box in there. Just take it out. And let's see what's inside. Probably user manuals and I hope a charging cable. Probably no charging brick. Would be too big anyways. Trying to take it out. There we go. Yeah, that's user manuals. And is that a charging cable in the middle? Probably. Yeah, I see it. It's the orange charging cable in the middle. Probably a very short one as well, just like they always do with JBL Go. But yeah, this is just user manuals. Oh, they're really rolled up. Okay, they're really they're only rolled up, so it's tough to read them probably. But I won't read them anyways. And yeah, it's just plain old user manuals. It's nothing special. So this is another manual right here. Let's see what it's about. Wait, let's not, because I don't care. I don't care at all. There's the charging cable. Let's take this wrap off right now. Taking some time once again. There we go. Okay, nice and short, nice and orange. I like it. See ya.